years old na. So medyo mahina ang lungs niya na dahil matanda na.
Give me that.
Kaya yung hangin na
Ayun.
nalalabas niya mula sa basura sa
Very good.
paligid namin, nagmukha kaming
Mango.
mountain. Sana
Ay,
hingi kami ng tulong
baliktad.
sa inyo.
Okay.
Mapakuha man
Ay,
lang
baliktad.
itong-
What's that? What's that?
Mango.
Very good.
Gusto rin man daw
Ay,
nilang alisin ang basura sa
baliktad.
harap ng bahay. Hindi naman nila
Daddy?
alam kung saan
Mhm.
ito
Ay,
itatapon.
baliktad.
Oh, what's that?
Dog.
Very good.
Ay, baliktad.
Okay. Next. What's that?
Ear.
What's this one?
Ear.
Ears. Very good.
Ay, baliktad.
That one. What's that one?
Flower.
Very good.
Ay, baliktad.
What's that one?
Girl.
What's this one?
Girl.
Very good.
Ay, mami, para
Ay,
madaanan lang ng tao. Yung mga
baliktad.
nag-roads natin
That one.
talaga
Cat.
ito, hanggang makalawa siguro ay baka mabuksan natin.
Bird.
Which one is bird?
Is that bird?
No. Which one is bird and bed? What's that
Birdie,
one? Give me bed.
This one.
Good.
There's bed.
Good. The other one.
Tumulong.
Bird.
Very good.
Maalis yung kanilang mga
Dad.
kamalang na
That one.
sasakyan.
Dad.
Very good.
D-A-D. Dad.
Very good, Arvin. Very good.
Sa mga
Pen.
tapunan.
P-E-N. Pen.
Very good.
M.